also. So 27.72. So required surface area is what? 150 minus 13.86 plus 27.72. So it is 163.86 cm square. That's the required answer. Next, a conical vessel of radius 12 centimeter and height 16 centimeter is completely filled with water. Means this is a cone. It is completely filled with water. Radius 12, height 16. Okay. Now, a sphere is lowered into the water and its size is such that when it touches the sides of the cone, it it is just immersed. Means what? I put this sphere inside and when it touches the sides, it is completely immersed. Means what? Its top end is also underwater. That is the meaning of immersed. Okay, means full sphere is underwater. Okay. So what is the fraction of water which overflows? Means because of this sphere, some water will flow out. So what is that fraction? Okay, let's find out. Name this as A, B and C and D as shown perpendicular. Okay, radius basically. So AC is a tangent to radius R. Okay. So we know 12, we know 16, we know this as R. So this from center of the sphere to this cone, apex of the cone, it will be 16 minus R. Okay. Now in triangle ABC and ODC, ABC and ODC, remember these two are similar, we have to prove it, and it's a bit difficult or cumbersome part. Angle ABC equals to 90, angle ODC equals to 90, right? 90, 90. Angle BCA equals to angle DCO, BCA equals to DCO, right? Common angle. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Why what? AA test, right? So here now it's simpler for you. CBA, CDO, this C common and B and D are 90. Therefore AA test. Therefore what happens? AB upon OD equals to BC upon DC, right? AB upon OD, BC upon DC. Ratios. Why? Corresponding sides of similar triangles are always same in the ratio. So now you know CO is 16 minus R and this OD is R. Therefore CD will be what? Root of 16 minus R the whole square minus R square. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.